and welcome to a new episode of Meet Our Speakers for the upcoming PUG Challenge 2025 in Valencia. Today I'm with Klaus de Vries. Hello, Klaus.
Hello.
Hey, nice to have you on board. You are a long-term participant, delegate, but most of all, sponsor and expo participant on the PUG challenges. So it's always nice to have you on board.
Yes, thank you. And it's always very nice for us to visit the conference.
Yeah. It's a good moment in our busy year to exchange with other open edge users, partners, suppliers to adapt to the new requirements. And the most important requirement this year is AI, and that's exactly what you're going to talk about, right?
Yeah, that's really true. So everybody here talks about AI, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And so that is the reason that we have also some AI projects in our company.
Good.
Especially with OF1. I
Mm-hmm.
think OF1 is a well-known framework, or we call it low-code development platform in the
Yes.
community. We are working with OF1 since 20 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember.
And what we are doing with OF1 is often modernization of existing legacy applications.
And AI can give you a big hand in that, reading your code and making
Yeah.
useful information from it.
Yeah, that's always a big challenge for us. If we have if we get a legacy application and the customer asks us to monetize it,
Mm-hmm.
and the problem is often that programmers are not available anymore. Yeah,
Mm-mm-mm.
or only a
They're
part of
getting
them.
old.
Yeah, they're getting old and or
Retire.
left the company, whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it takes a lot of time to analyze the old code, is use, and for example, the database is often not documented and so on.
Mm-mm-mm.
And but what we try is to analyze the existing source code with AI to find out the relationships in the data from the database, so the database fields which are used, or which fields are used in which screen. Yeah. So, and with AI, we can extract the basic information to create screens or business entities with OF1. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can save a lot of basic work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it's not possible to create automatically a new application. That was very fine, but it's not possible. But you save a lot of work if you can create a basic programs in the new architecture.
Yeah. By analyzing the existing code. We also talked a little bit before this recording about another initiative you have in your company with the OF1 framework, and that is an adapter. Is that correct?
It's right. It's an AI adapter. We are using MCP, the Model Content Protocol.
Yes.
And with the new AI adapter, you are able to talk with your application, or you can also send commands to your application. Maybe you can find out maybe the revenue of the customers, or which invoice is not paid, or whatever you want. Yeah, that's it's a completely new style to interact with your application. Yeah, you have not open a screen. And yes, you can talk with to a human. Yeah.
Yeah.
And also you can also create commands like, for example, print this invoice, or copy this order, or whatever, or something like that. Yeah.
That is great, and it's really one of the nice things about AI that repetitive and maybe other types of actions can be turned into a command.
Exactly, and that is not spooky. Yeah, maybe it sounds so, but you have to do something for that. Yeah. So
Yeah.
and to interact with your application, then you have to create some endpoints. Yeah.
Sure.
This
Yeah.
and we are doing this with our business entities. Yeah. And we
Mm-hmm.
will show in our workshop how to do that. Yeah.
Oh.
Mm.
Well, it sounds very interesting, Klaus. Can't wait to see you. I will show the viewers that in order to get a seat, because you're doing this in a whole morning,
Mm.
the workshop,
Yeah.
they will have to go to our website. It's pugchallenge.org. I'm opening it now. And obviously, you have to get a ticket to get on the conference. But if you want to visit the workshop from Klaus and his colleagues, you have to click on Explore the Workshops. It will bring you to a list of workshops. And well, to make it easy, the workshop from Klaus and his colleagues is the workshop number 11, and it's on the bottom of the page, so it's very easy to find. And it also mentions that it will be in the room 8 from the Friday morning from 9 to 12. You need to book. It's a free workshop, right, Klaus?
It's free. Yeah.
Okay,
That's right.
okay. But you have to book your seat just by clicking on the link. And again, you can just get your ticket. So your name will be registered for this workshop, and we know that that you will be coming again. There are a lot of workshops, and this is the one that is number 11, Friday the 7th. Everybody is talking about AI, and this is what you need to get your ticket for. There are still seats available, but hurry up because they go fast. Okay, Klaus. Thank you for your time. Looking forward to see you in Valencia from the 5th until the 7th of November.
Yeah. Not far away.
Okay. See you there, and thank you for your time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.